Cancer, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for February 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this oracle deck that I have here. Cancer, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of January 2022, stepping into February 2022, we have the Fool card. I think you were in a very adventurous mood, but then the Fool could be blinded by the folly of others to look before you had moved forward and onward. Possibly this was also the start of a journey for you. You wanted to make travel plans at this time. Maybe the pressure of work would also taking a toll on you. Obstacles to overcome, the challenges that February is going to pose for you is the Empress card. I think new acquaintances are quite likely. You are going to be someone who is quite nurturing at this time. Maybe you should also be careful because arguments could be on account of inconsequential matters. I think at times, Cancerians, you believe you need to assert yourself. Maybe you want to put other people in their place because they're always trying to undermine or they're going to disregard your opinion. Work offers could also be there, maybe for something that you have never attempted. Maybe this month is also the time when you should consult your financial expert. Influences for this month, we have the Ace of Cups. I think something new is in the offing this February, but you should also take everything with a pinch of salt. Again, in personal relationships, I think you should sidestep issues which are going to snowball into arguments. Maybe there is a difference of opinion, so ego could come in the way. Like I said, you want to put your point of view forward. You don't want to be disregarded at home or in the workplace. But then Cancerians, you should also be careful, because you could say something untoward and this could affect your chances at work. February is also the time when you need to be patient. Your schedule could go for a toss, it could be disrupted, there could be cancellation of plans as well. Maybe excess work is also on the cards in this February, so you will be a bit flustered. I think you should start early or you should take the initiative rather than crib about the excess amount of work that is on your shoulders. I think this month you also have to reduce the rates of your services if you want to bag that deal. I think a compromise approach will do wonders for you this February. Possibly February is also the month when you will be kept busy looking into financial affairs, or you will also be arranging documents or data. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Eight of Swords energy. I think you'll be enjoying good food, you'll be socializing, but there's also going to be an energy shift here, so you need to protect yourself. Maybe you will feel exceedingly pressured because there are swords which are encircling this lady. So it's best to keep a low profile. It seems also there'll be a change of plans. Maybe your colleagues will feel that you're the one who is indecisive or who's changing those plans. Again, Cancerians, I think you'll be assuming too much this month. So you should be careful not to jump the gun as what appears may not be so. Even on the work front, I think Cancerians, you will benefit if you'll make concessions. Maybe some of you also using guile and impersonation to your advantage at this time. And this will enable you to complete what you set out to do. Cancerians, you should also be careful because there are going to be clients who will seek advice from you, but they don't want to offer you remuneration. Maybe they want advice gratis. Other than that, communication will also bring in opportunities for you. Your creative side is also going to be appreciated. Besides, you're able to finish the task at great speed. Because of this Eight of Swords energy, you may also feel there's too much scrutiny which is there. If you're making your way for an interview, maybe you believe that you're being questioned too much about your background, or the interviews are grilling you to no extent. That is why you may believe that this work offer is not to your liking. This month also, Cancerians, there could be home improvements, or you should also safeguard your health in these months. Maybe because you're socializing, you're going to enjoy good food, but this could have an effect on the digestive system. Even while walking, I think you should be careful. You could slip and take a fall. The next 10 days, we have the Temperance card. I think this energy is asking you to be very patient, to bear with the delays, but then you can take heart from the fact that you will achieve what you set out to do. Sometimes, you could also be getting worked up for nothing. Maybe you're also disturbed because your home life is disturbed. Cancerians, you could also be accused of being self-centered. Again, there are jealous colleagues who are going to be out to malign you. They're always up to mischief, so you should be on your guard. Maybe you will have a word with the management. Maybe this is why the work environment could be a bit claustrophobic for you. Some Cancerians may also want to put in your papers, but then is this the way forward, Cancerians? You can handle this as well. Those of you who are working, I think payment will come in from your clients. Communication is also going to bring in gains and opportunities for you. The final days of February, we have the Four of Wands. Again, here the home is the center of your world. There will be home improvements, pleasant surprises also in store for you. The energy is such that you're going to be quite driven. You will push yourself and complete a lot of tasks. I think you will also seek divine guidance. Maybe there are colleagues who are quite jealous of your abilities. They feel that you're quite ingenious, and this could annoy you. I think you should also be careful because colleagues are going to copy your ideas. Imitation is the best form of flattery, but then you're not flattered. But you can be rest assured that your boss is aware of your talents and abilities. Paperwork is also going to increase at this time. I think the focus should also be on spiritual cleansing or spiritual matters. From the Love Oracle deck, I have this card, I Lost Myself in You. I think your person and you are going to be deeply in love with each other. Maybe this person is completely overwhelmed in your presence. He loses himself or he feels complete with you. There's that oneness which is going to creep into your relationship. In this month, we do have the Ace of Cups, so definitely there are going to be admirers, there are going to be suitors. Maybe some Cancerians, you're going to be unresponsive. I think the key here is not to string anyone along. If you're unwilling to enter a relationship, then you should keep out. Interestingly, Cancerians, in case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think the chances of a reconnection is on the cards. You will definitely express your feelings for each other. Even a sexual union is also on the cards. There's physical chemistry in this relationship. Evidently, Cancerians, because there is negative energy, so it could affect your relationship this month. So you should guard against that. You should protect or safeguard your relationship. On the other hand, married Cancerians, I think there could be disagreements with your partner over personal choices. Love is also all about making those compromises rather than be high-handed. Maybe the issue of infidelity could also creep into your relationship in case yours is an unhappy connection. Whatever it may be, even if you are in a third-party situation, you should weigh the pros and cons. We also have this card, Whole, which talks about mystery. Maybe something is mysterious in your life, something is hidden, or something is brewing behind the scenes. You do need the light to understand what's going on behind your back. Like I said, there's dark energy here, so you need to safeguard yourself, or you should do aura cleansing. The last card in this reading is Dragonfly, which talks about emergence. Surely you are in an intense process of emergence into the next cycle of your life. I think this shift is going to happen quite rapidly into your life. Something is quite unexpected this February, or these dramatic changes will take you by surprise, but then you are prepared for this. The Dragonfly moves from the egg stage into the nymph stage. There is this goddess imagery here which is emerging. So certainly you're going to emerge, you're going to be quite transformed. So it is best, Cancerians, to surrender to the ebb and flow of life, to allow yourself to gracefully transcend into the next aspect of your life this February. I hope Cancerians you liked your reading. This is Shah with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.